In July 2025, Pakistan was once again overwhelmed by catastrophic floods. From the north to the south, entire communities were submerged, homes lost, lives shattered. Triggered by record-breaking monsoon rains and rapid glacial melt, the floods swept through Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, and Gilgit-Baltistan. The human cost: over 270 dead, hundreds injured, and tens of thousands displaced. Pakistan's fragile geography is being pushed to the brink by climate change. Rising temperatures, up to 48.5 degrees Celsius, accelerated glacial melt, combining with monsoon storms to unleash disaster. With more rain forecast and rivers like the Chenab and Jhelum swelling dangerously, warnings continue across the country. July's rainfall is already 82% above last year's levels. Tragedy struck Swat Valley, where unsuspecting tourists were caught in a sudden surge, 18 lives lost in moments. In Chilas, a cloudburst wiped out vehicles and families. At Chahan Dam, a reporter was swept away during a live broadcast, a haunting image of nature's force. Amid the crisis, Caritas Pakistan stepped in, conducting regular consultation and planning meetings across affected dioceses. With daily coordination, their teams closely monitored the evolving situation and mobilized local communities for timely response. Together, through awareness, planning, and unity, we can protect lives and build a safer future.